Are you inconsistent or persistent? The difference between these two can drastically affect how long it takes to achieve your goals. Today, I'll show you 5 signs of inconsistency, and how persistence, with the right time frame, can lead to lasting success. Sign 1. Starting strong but losing focus. You begin a project or habit with enthusiasm but lose interest or focus after a few days or weeks. Inconsistent effort over time leads to slow or no progress. For example, skipping workouts or irregular study habits delay your results. Create a manageable schedule and commit to it consistently over weeks or months, even when motivation fades. Sign 2. Setting unrealistic expectations. You expect immediate results and quit when things take longer than expected. True persistence requires understanding that success is a marathon, not a sprint. Inconsistency often arises when you don't give yourself enough time to see progress. Break your goals into smaller milestones with realistic timelines to stay motivated. Sign 3. Switching strategies too often. You frequently jump from one method or goal to another, hoping for faster results. Constantly changing your approach means you're starting over repeatedly, wasting valuable time. Persistence means giving one strategy enough time to work. Stick with a chosen strategy for a set period, like 3 to 6 months, before evaluating and making adjustments. Sign 4. Lacking a clear routine. You approach your goals randomly without a structured plan or routine. Without a routine, progress becomes unpredictable and delayed. Persistence thrives on small, consistent actions repeated daily or weekly. Develop a clear, repeatable schedule that integrates your goals into your daily life. Sign 5. Letting setbacks stop you. You give up after a few failures or setbacks, losing sight of your long-term goal. Inconsistency views setbacks as the end, while persistence understands they're part of the journey over time. When setbacks happen, focus on the bigger picture and adjust your timeline without losing momentum. Inconsistency delays progress and keeps you stuck, while persistence, combined with the right time frame, turns effort into success. Reflect on your habits and ask yourself, are you giving your goals the time they need? Let me know in the comments which sign resonated with you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and success.